Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel, Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, there are so many wonderful herbs in our surroundings which we fail to acknowledge due to our ignorance and disinterest. We take many medicines, antibiotics, and painkillers, but there are herbs with just a few leaves can do wonders. This is one such medicinal herb which has been used in India since ages for treatment of insect bites and toothache. The regional name in Telugu is Kuppintaku or Harita Manjari. It is also called Indian nettle, Indian mercury, Indian acalypha, or Indian copperleaf. Its botanical name is Acalypha indica. It can be found growing in our surroundings in the shrubs as the seeds get carried away by the wind all over and it grows on its own. This miraculous herb is a gift from nature to me as it has grown on its own and it is looking so beautiful that I did not pluck it. And finally, when I found its medicinal qualities, I was really thankful to God and thankful to nature. Why I call it miraculous is because it can be used in the treatment of acne, insect bite, toothache, arthritis, muscle pain, and even cancer. But it should be used under the guidance of an experienced practitioner. Because of its very strong potency, it has to be used very sparingly and under guidance. I have myself used it for treatment of toothache. I have taken only 2 leaves. The leaf should be chewed and a little pinch of salt along with the juice of the leaf should be rubbed on the affected area, affected tooth nicely, and you can rub it all over your teeth. The toothache will vanish within few hours. If a leaf is ingested, it removes all the dirty worms that parasites that are there in the stomach. It clears your stomach. But as I said, it should be used sparingly and only under guidance of an experienced person. It can be identified very easily by the make of its leaves. It is round in shape and has small spikes around it. And the seed pods grows around the stem like spikes and like a small cup will be there on the seed pods on those spikes which contain seeds which gets blown away by the wind. It looks very beautiful to look at and it can be very easily identified. This herb, if you find it anywhere in your surroundings, do get one for your garden and enjoy its benefits. Friends, thank you so much for watching my video and stay connected so that we can share some useful information about nature and gardening. If you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, thank you. Bye bye for now.